Hey everybody, I'm Taylor.
I'm Audrey. I'm Asher.
I'm Mom.
And we're
The Backpack!
Today we are going to show you how to tie-dye these shirts.
Let's get on to the video!
Here's the kit we are going to be using to tie-dye. It comes with a project guide, 5 pairs of gloves, 15 bottles with pre-measured dye, 75 rubber bands, and 1 plastic table cover. Let's get it set up.
Wow! Here's kit.
Oh, that's gloves. Here are gloves.
Audrey, what pattern are you picking?
I don't know what it's called. Bullseye?
Bullseye? Alright. So to do the bullseye, you could start in the middle and gather, but she wants to do more of a crooked, sideways bullseye. So we're going to start more in the corners. Let's see. So it kind of starts like at the very bottom. So yeah, you bunch up a circle.
So right here?
Yeah, as long as it's a whole circle like on the front like that.
Okay,
Alright, so start there and rubber band. Okay, so you just keep going now. Keep going down the row here. As many as you'd like. Okay, so now you take it from this way. So now we're just going to start from this corner and you pick where you want your first circle to go. There you go. So for mine, I feel like the neck is going to be a bit tight. I kind of want it to be a little more loose scoop neck style. So I'm just going to fold it like this, lay it down, and cut about an inch below the seam all the way across. There we go for mine.
I'm going to do the same thing to mine.
Okay, so you grab the very back and the very middle.
Okay.
So you just want to make sure when you lay it down, it's completely even.
Okay.
And then when you get to the shoulder, this is this back area. So stay up closer to the seam so it's not.
Okay, so just go right at the seam?
Yeah, don't be, no, go a little below it. Don't pull. And for this version, I'm just going to randomly grab circles. Just like so. And I'll rubber band them. And I'll do that all throughout it and see what happens. Okay, that one's ready.
For my shirt, I'm going to be doing a design that has like a kind of swirl in the middle, and then it will be splotchy all around it. Now that I have drawn the design that I want on my shirt, I will fan it like this, pinching it and making sure it's a straight line as I work my way up.
All right, what design do you want to do, bud?
I want to do a target.
He wants the target, also known as the bullseye. So he's gonna do his the traditional way, just right in the middle. We're gonna pinch and we're gonna put a rubber band right there. Okay, so then we're just going to, from there, continue to rubber band as many as we want. Okay, I think that's as much as we can do. Now it looks like a carrot. And for mine, I'm just gonna do the random rubber bands like I did on my other one.
Carrot.
Okay, this shirt is gonna be a mystery. I did a little bit of a bullseye here, and right here and here, it's gonna be like kind of a curve down the middle of the shirt. And I did a bunch of different swirls and polka dots. So this shirt's gonna be a big mystery, and I hope it turns out well.
Okay, so all our shirts are done and we're ready to color them. Okay, we're gonna start rinsing out the shirts, but if you hear background noise,
We just got 5 guinea hens, so they might be a little loud.
they're living here in the laundry room where we're rinsing shirts. So excuse
And those are so
the extra
cute.
chirping.
Rebecca.
This is Rebecca.
So we gotta squeeze all the extra color out.
All right, now it's time to take out the rubber bands.
So take the first one off.
How's it look?
Whoa,
Nice.
Can I hold it up?
Oh my goodness.
Here it is.
That's a really cool bullseye.
Do you see the bottom?
Yeah.
The speckles.
It's
That's cool.
beautiful.
You happy with it?
Yes.
Look how pretty that
Oh,
is.
step on it.
Asher, you're ruining it.
Okay, let's get the next one going.
Okay.
Time for Audrey's.
Do I just rinse it out?
Yep.
And you don't need to pull.
Audrey's gonna take the rubber bands out now. Keep it low. Down by the drain.
Pause it and then we'll show them.
Cool. Look at that corner. Very fun. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Good job. Kayla's rinsing hers out. Ooh, that's fun. Hold it out in front of you here.
You can't really tell where my swirl design is.
I like it.
Look at the back. Okay. Whoa.
There it is.
That's really pretty.
Bunch of little circles.
Wow. I really like that.
Thanks.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to make these tie-dye shirts. Make sure to like
And subscribe.
and turn on your post notifications. We'll see you next time.
Bye.